Hey exclusive baddies, so today's video we're going to be doing some DIY denim flips. So I went to the store and I bought a whole some stuff because I had some ideas, some things that I want to do, I want to make. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do upload every Monday or Sundays or Mondays, so it'll be either or day. I do try to do it at the beginning of the week though, so that you guys have my videos and you can watch it throughout the week or whatever, but I try to get it at the beginning of the week so you have all week to watch it before the new video uploads. If you did check out my last video, make sure that you check out the video before this. I did a DIY video as well, and I made a basketball purse. And I've been getting a lot of inquiries about making those purses. So I think I want to do, what I'm going to end up doing, I want to do a giveaway. There's things that people have been asking, oh, I want this. So, and really liking. So I think I'm going to do a DIY giveaway. I'm going to do 3 different DIYs, videos that you guys want to get, to win the giveaway. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do the giveaway exactly, but I have some ideas. I know I want to give away a basketball purse. So anyways, what was I saying? So basically, I want to do a giveaway of 3 things that you would like my subscribers would enjoy, will want, that they don't want to DIY themselves. I'll make 3 items. Just look through my videos and pick 3 of the 2 things, because I'm gonna do the basketball purse is one of them, and then 2 things out of the DIY videos that I have. So make sure you guys go back if you haven't seen some of them, and whichever videos has the most, I would say whichever video has the most comments under it, that's the 2 I'll pick, or the most likes. I'm gonna go back and look at the likes, and whichever has the most views, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video. So I went to Goodwill, and find Goodwill is finally open. I was able to grab a few things. I didn't see much, but I got 3 things. So first thing, I want to make a skirt from some Levi men's denim. I got these pants. I really want to do the pocket where it's underneath. We'll see though. We'll see, and I kind of want to cut these open and do some, we'll see how the waist fits. But this is probably going to be the easiest DIY because you're just cutting the lines out, which I'll show you guys. I'm going to do that part. I'm going to cut the lines off and then make it into a skirt. And so that's the first thing. Second thing that I got was this big old skirt. So it's really huge. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's really big. I want to make a denim mini dress with the denim straps. So I was thinking of that for this. Maybe use the waistband and then just make the straps like this, and then just a mini. So yeah, I got this skirt. It's what size is this? It's a size 18. So yeah, I tried to get a really big skirt, so I'm not skinny, I'm a thick girl, and I want to make a mini dress. A denim dress. Yeah, I think that would be super easy to do. So we're gonna start off with the skirt. So freaking cute. Look at this. This was $5, and it's just it's so freaking cute. So I'm gonna probably style these when I do my montage and everything. I'm gonna style it with this bag. This down here. See how this is fitting. sides.